Having considered the evidence that I've spoken to and the submissions, I've raised the following issues for determination. 1, whether the first accused person knew the deceased prior to her death. Secondly, whether the first accused person stole and used the stolen identity card to access the Muria Gardens where the deceased was staying. Thirdly, whether the clothes that the first accused person was wearing on 19th of September 2018 implicates him in the commission of the offense. Fourth, whether the accused person was in the deceased house on 19th of September 2018, and whether he was the last person to be seen with the deceased. The fifth item, question. Whether the first accused person had a gun on the particular night and used it to subdue the deceased. The next issue I'll be looking at is whether the first accused person was positively identified on the identification parade. And lastly, but of course not the least but very important, a recap of whether then the prosecution have given this court adequate evidence to make a finding that the first accused murdered the deceased. So let's take the first issue.